E888T factory reset and label learning operation. First, we have to set the correct paper size in page setup in printing preferences. Click the New button, enter the actual label size here. Take this paper as an example. It is measured to be 100厘米 in length and height. Search the ref of 888T on the official website and download the configuration tool. After installing it correctly, click the Restore Factory. The machine will make a response sound. Then click the Label Learning button. The machine will auto-learn. At this time, it will work out of multiple labels and finally stay at the correct tearing position.